Hello guys, my name is Sabrias. And so, what to do this? And you see that? Did you see that? Now see something? There's a hole over there. And there's a hole here too. So, it has 4 cars actually. And here's a helicopter. And these are ones from the other ones from the truck. And something more big. That's the helicopter pad over there. Look at where that helicopter over there. Wait, I think so something. Look at that. That's the coin truck or the money truck. So, okay. I think the helicopter over the helipad over there. And you see that over there? What? So that's the things from the truck. I can do something. And so this food truck is so awesome. So bye.